Hi everyone! So today's a good video. It's my first box and it's gonna be the Walmart box, the Walmart beauty box. You get this quarterly. I think it's like every 3 months and it's only $6.95. Can you believe that? $6.95 for a beauty box? Like, you can't beat that. So let's see what's in it. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. Oh, I dropped the product. You know me, I drop stuff. Don't worry. It says Winter Wonders. And it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. But I see 5 products here, but one of the products is a duo. I'm missing one. I don't know, it's not here. Alright, I'll reach out to customer service and see. So the first product is the Paris Hilton for Women Eau de Parfum. This is what it looks like. It's just a regular sample. Oh, it smells so good. Well, on the, you know how perfumes are, it changes when it's on your skin. Oh my god. Oh, dude. This is a sparkling scent of juicy peach, jasmine, me, and creamy sandalwood. Personifies Paris's feminine charm. I smell the peach. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I think I need a big bottle of this. Does it say how big bottle? A full bottle is only $26.97. Wow. I'm going to have to order one of those because that smells. I'm so picky when it comes to fragrance. Like, I'm a more gourmand, I believe that's what they're called. Those vanilla, cinnamon, caramel, pistachio. You know, like the Sol de Janeiro 62. That's my type of scent. Okay, next up. Oh, it's open. It's the SUNTOACHABLE Invisible Sunscreen by E.L.F. Full size. This is $14. It's an invisible sunscreen. The lightweight sunscreen delivers broad spectrum protection and leaves zero white cast on all skin tones. This non-greasy, fragrance-free gel formula also doubles as a face primer. Cool. The problem is I don't wear sunscreen. I know that's a big no-no. A big no-no-no-no. But I'll use it. I'll try it. I don't leave the house, so why would I put sunscreen while I'm in the house? Next up is gonna be the AVEENO Daily Moisturizer. It's a sample size, right? It says, yeah. It's the AVEENO Daily Moisturizing Cream. It's for normal to dry skin, sensitive skin, hydrates for 48 hours, and instantly strengthens skin moisture barrier. Probiotic oat and shea butter, fragrance free. I've used this before, and I actually do like it. The full size is only $14.97. But yeah, that's good. Alright, next up, it's a dual. And you know if it's a dual, what is it? Shampoo and conditioner. Never heard of this brand. This is the Being Nourish Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. That's what it looks like. And this is decent size, you guys. Like, look at how big this is. This will give me a good 5 washes. Definitely. Because I do use a lot of product in my hair. This is shea butter and aloe extract for optimal moisture and shine. Alright. We gotta take this tag off because we gotta smell it. You know when you don't want, some people don't want fragrance in their skincare and stuff. You know they want fragrance in their hair products. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I'm not even exaggerating. That It's like coconut-y, right? Ooh, that smells so good. This is the Daily Clean Shampoo and Daily Clean Conditioner. And that's all we got. Because the product that I'm missing is the Palma's Cocoa Butter Formula Shimmer Radiance Body Oil. But I think it's a packet. It's not like an actual. And I've looked through this box and there's no packets here. So yeah, that's all I got. I got, consider it 4 products, but it's really 5 because you get the shampoo and conditioner. You see, it says it right here. I'm supposed to get the oil. And then it gives you nothing. It just says, shows you what beauty faves you can get. And it says tag Walmart Beauty. So I'll make sure I do that. But yeah, that's all I got for you today. This was a short one because the products, there's nothing to try really except for, oh, the perfume. Oh, it smells like juicy peaches. Like, ooh, so good. So good. So I'm going to start my series of first time makeup users for 40 and over. So wish me luck on that. Because I'm not a makeup user, and the most I do for makeup is my eye makeup, and that's it. Like simple eye makeup too. 1 color, 2 colors maybe, and a shimmer, and I'm done. And then eyeliner. That's it. And mascara. Can't forget mascara. My eyelashes are freaking blonde, so I need mascara. Oh, you like my glasses? These are from Boogland. I'm wearing them because my pajamas they have the red. So I thought these would look nice. But yeah, if you can do me a solid like, comment, subscribe, that would help me out a lot. I'm trying to get at least to 100, and then I want to jump to more hundreds and try to get to 1,000 and start earning a little bit of money for my pockets. But yeah, that's all I got for you. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I hope you had a safe holiday. My holiday was weird. I had Christmas on December 8th because my mom was leaving December 10th to Puerto Rico to spend it with my grandmother. This is the first year my grandmother was going to be without my granddad, and my mom didn't want her to be alone, so she decided to go up there for a month to be with her for Christmas and New Year's. And now she's in Puerto Rico and there's a blackout. She's texting us. We're texting her to make sure she's okay and stuff because they haven't had electricity for like 2 days now, but she's doing okay. But yeah, and then New Year's we spent it here. Me and hubby and son had some drinks, had some food, and that's it. I hope everyone had a safe holiday, because I did. I stayed home. That's what I do. I stay home. That's my life. Home, 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 home. And that's why I wanted to start this YouTube page, so I can do something. You know what I mean? Like, I wanted to do something, and I didn't know what to do. And then my husband's like, you get all these subscription boxes, why not you watch all these channels to unboxings? Like, I watch Jody G and Alexandria Ryan and which is her name, Miss Box, Subscription Sisters, like what's the other one, Katrina. I watch all these girls, you know, just unboxing their boxes and enjoying it, and I love watching it. Like, Alexandra Ryan is my favorite. Her and Jody G, I can watch over and over. My husband even knows their voices. That's how much I freaking watch them, and I watch repeats and stuff, and I go back years so I can watch their videos that I missed, because I didn't start watching YouTube videos until like 2020 when the pandemic hit. And then I started watching more YouTube and stuff, and that's when I fell into love with makeup, watching Manu M.E.A. Really? M.U.A. And then Laura Lee, and, you know, Nikki Tutorials, and all these people, Jasmine, and now I'm on TikTok, and I love watching all the TikTok girlies. And on YouTube too, Kelly Stratt. Oh, I love her. Her makeup is always flawless. And it interests me, so why not try it? You know what I mean? Like, I even forgot to put my lip on today. I'm sorry. All I got is lip gloss on right now. Not lip gloss. Is it lip gloss? No, it's not as shiny, but it's Naturium lip balms. Oh, love them. They feel amazing, fantastic. But yeah, I hope you come and, you know, support and not judge me too much when I do my makeup. Because I'm a learner. I'm learning, and I'm gonna try until the freaking floors come out. I'm gonna try to do my makeup, but it's gonna be a rough ride. I know. I'm gonna be wanting to wipe my face off right after because it came out so bad. I'm so nervous about that. But yeah, I hope everyone has a wonderful day. And please support. Follow me on TikTok at Jazzy Bells. It's J4ZZYB3LLZ. That's my gamer tag on my Xbox when I game. That's my gamer tag too. And it's the same one on Instagram. And then on Facebook is Jasmine Roman 1104. And X, Twitter, is Jazzy Books. I'm an Advent reader. I love me some romance. I mean, love me. I can read over 1,000 books in a year. My husband is like, I don't know how you read these books so fast. Like, it's insane. Like, I started getting into books. I was in the hospital for 3 months. And my sister was like, I got these books. They're pretty popular, but they're kind of raunchy. Do you want to try it out? And guess what? It was 50 Shades of Grey. And that sucked me in. Right after I finished that series, I got the Twilight series. And then I got my husband got me the Hunger Games. Problem where my camera shuts off after a certain limit. Like, it's like 12 minutes and then it stops recording. Does anyone have that issue with their camera? I have a Canon EOS 2000. Anybody know? But like I was talking about, I got hooked after the Hunger Games book, and it just set me off. Thank God for Kindle Unlimited. If not, whoo, I would be spending all my money. All my money. I know the books are $2, $3, but that adds up. If you're reading hundreds of books a year, that's like sometimes $300-$400 a year on books. Yeah, I can't do that. I ain't got money like that. I'm on a fixed income. I can't do that. I'm on disability. No, 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 no. But anyways, yeah, that's all I got for you. I hope everyone has had a wonderful holiday again. And I'll see you next time. Bye.